so we got this 10-foot ladder. This ladder's 10 feet, and it's leaning against the side of this lovely building. Love my artistic skills. And the bottom of the ladder is 6 feet from the base of the building, so that's 6. And they want to know how high this is, so we'll call that x. And the way to relate these is with the Pythagorean theorem. We know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So the c is the hypotenuse, the one across from the right angle, that longest side there. So that's the one that has to be all by itself, the c squared. And it doesn't matter what order I put these in, so I'll do x squared plus 6 squared. And so now I just solved this. I want to just clean that up. I want to set it equal to 0 first, so I'm going to subtract 100 from both sides. So I'm going to get x squared minus, this is my first step, setting it equal to 0. X squared minus 64 is 0. And now I'm going to factor it, x plus 8, x minus 8, because it was a difference of squares, right? I noticed that there were 2 terms, so, and they were both perfect squares, so that's quite lovely. And so now I've got it set equal to 0, so I want each one of these factors equal to 0. So either x plus 8 equals 0 or x minus 8 equals 0. So x will equal, subtract the 8, so x is minus 8, or add the 8, so x is 8. And those would be your 2 solutions, except remember this was a real life building whose height cannot be negative, so we'll just go with the height was 8.